This is elevator 13. This is elevator 13 at Hershey Lodge in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We have another traditional in the same building. Interlock. Ring the bell. This LED right here is out. I'm gonna take a couple rides on this. Watch the indicator going up. Traditional fixtures. It's weird. It says it's on stop, but it's running. Watch the indicator going up. This one has 3 floors, just like the one in the Reese's part. Let's go down, right down to 1. Take another trip on this thing. Cab view. Same as the other cab. There's nothing much different about this than the other cab, just that it serves an extra floor. This thing is creaking. This has a thick door frame, like Schindler MTs, some Schindler MTs. Elevator 13, 2,500 pound capacity. Bell doesn't ring. It rings when you hit the up button on the main floor. We're watching this kid going down. Fire operation and the open button, help button. Now we will ring that bell. And that's it.